David Bennett.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. I just want to take a short reading in regard to the first reading of the Insurance Prudential Supervision Bill. I think, first of all, with some of the opposition members have been talking about the need for monetary policy reform and their vision of the world and how economics should go. I think that the New Zealand Parliament and the New Zealand people need to be aware that the New Zealand economy has come through this recession as well as could be expected from a Western economy. And we probably have got a lot to thank about the nature of our prudential supervision of our banks, but also monetary policy has shown to be effective and successful once again. And the Labour Party over there is hopping on the bandwagon that I think New Zealand first started a number of years ago, but nobody has got any solutions that are any better than what we have at the moment. And it's pretty false hope for them to go around saying that they've got a better system. And the reality is that this recession was a combination of factors. Not only was there some unusual financial whiz-kids in the US and other Western economies, but also I think it is a wake-up call for the West that the Eastern economies have focused more on their production of goods and services and exports and have basically shown us that we need to reinvent the wheel and get back to basics. And that's what the New Zealand economy needs to do and get back to being an export-led economy that actually pays its way in the world. And that's the wake-up call that you've been given in this recession to the Western world, and it's up to the West to accept and to move on and play the game, because the competing economies of the world are playing that game, and if we don't wake up and do so, we will fall further down the track of international economies. So the insurance bill is an attempt to give a balanced approach to dealing with some supervision of the insurance industry. Basically, it's not too stringent, but at the same time presents a definite level of support and regulation so that people can have confidence in insurers. And also the supervision of the Reserve Bank of New Zealand is important in providing the mechanism to give that discipline to the industry. So this bill is important as we look forward in providing a certain degree of regulation, but not over-regulating the industry. And the talk of monetary policy reform that the opposition has been supporting isn't the answer. The answer is for New Zealand to become an export-led recovery economy, and that's what this national government is about and has been doing for the last year or so while it's been in office. Thank you, Mr Speaker.